Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've come again, thank you, we love you. And if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 10 Chinese drama which has a love, contract, marriage theme. You know what, the ending is kind of pretentious, but we enjoy the process of watching this drama and it's like that guilty pleasure, okay? So, and as they say, the journey is more important than the destination, so enjoy the process of watching this drama and let the climax be not that engaging or not that surprising. So without any further ado, let's begin with this. So guys, the first drama on our list is Perfect and Casual. In this drama, Yunshu learns that the man she had collided with in a cafe was actually a statistics professor, Professor Zhang. She's unable to complete her education because of him. She's also duped by her cousin and becomes homeless after giving him all of her money to purchase an apartment that turns out to be Professor Zhang's residence. As a result, when he asks her to pretend to be his girlfriend, in order to fulfill his dying grandfather's wish, she agrees because it also gives her a room to sleep in while she sorts out her affairs. When a chilly cold Zhang begins to warm up to the bright and friendly Yunshu, their contract relationship blossoms into a beautiful real marriage. The progress of the story is so beautiful that you really want to keep watching it until you reach the climax. So give it a try, guys. The next drama on our list is Once We Get Married. To buy a couture wedding dress for a customer, a fashion buyer Gu Shishi sneaks into a high-end party where she comes across a bossy president, Yin Xinchen, with a series of lies, and she becomes his contracted wife for 3 months. The inexperienced bossy president and the cute and cunning girl start a love game. Through all kinds of tests, Yin Xinchen helps Gu Shishi realize her dream of becoming a designer and establish her own fashion brand, making her as outstanding as him. We all know the endings of contract marriages, but it's the progress of the story that's actually worth watching. And this is something that you should go for if you are into contract marriages and this theme in the Chinese dramas. The third drama on our list is actually a very popular one, which is called Well-Intended Love. To summarize, Xiaolin is a supporting actress and she's diagnosed with leukemia. And the sole person on the waiting list is CEO, businessman Ling Yizhu. Unfortunately, he has temporarily frozen his contribution on the registry, which means Xiaolin will have to persuade him to donate his bone marrow. On the condition that she marry him, he agrees. The plot of Well-Intended Love is around a secret marriage in which both the parties benefit from the legal framework of their arrangement. The narrator's blackmail is hardly the foundation for a sophisticated, evolving romantic story, but this Netflix series manages to pull it off. So guys, yes, it's also available on Netflix, which means you can easily watch it and you don't have to look for a lot of links. Go watch this one. The next drama on our list is Midsummer is Full of Love. Full House, a Korean drama, is the inspiration for this drama. The plot revolves around an orphaned young girl who inherited her home from her parents after they passed away. Unfortunately, she was duped by her best friend who sold her house to a celebrity out from under her. She was determined to reclaim her home, so she forced the celebrity to share a living space with her in the meanwhile. But in this process of cohabiting the house, they fell in love with each other. And it's a very typical cliche love story, but something that you just cannot stop watching if you start it. The next drama on our list is Please Love Me. When they have to pretend to be married, a popular idol and a manicurist fall into romance with an expiry date. Due to a plot centered on a candid camera event, two people with very different lives cross paths. To deal with the fallout, popular actor Yi Han and manicurist Pei Yu, who has long wanted to own a home, sign a marriage contract. The fictional pair develops actual feelings after meeting strangers who didn't want anything to do with each other. However, news of their arrangement makes its way into the public domain. In addition, the long-rumored plot is revealed. You know what? It has a lot of ups and downs, but you have to see, is Yi Han still capable of proving the sincerity of his heart? Go for it. The next drama on the list is Hello Mr. Gu. A CEO who dislikes crowd marries an impoverished heiress on a contractual basis. They first butt heads due to their conflicting personalities, only to become one another's confidant over time. As they fall in love, these flawed souls assist one another in healing. Everyone knows this is my weakness, like I have a soft spot in my heart for a couple who marries for reasons other than love. I enjoy seeing them clash as they learn more about one another. This drama has a great backdrop that explains why they're getting married. Although Woo Nam-joo and Soo Jeong-min have a long family history, they're strangers to one another. The fathers of two of them are buddies, and you may draw your conclusions from there. I'll leave it up to your imagination. The next drama on the list is You're My Destiny. Let me tell you guys, when it comes to contract marriages, I think it's gonna be my top 3 picks, this drama. The story revolves around the lives of two people who were never intended to be together, but they become each other's fate as a result of an unexpected event. The two main characters meet at a cruise and unintentionally spend the night together, after which the girl becomes pregnant. The boy was really a mature one. He took the responsibility and he married it, but it was more like a contract marriage. But circumstances were sad and fate was not on their side. The lady miscarried and they grew apart of each other. But they also meet after a few years and their journey again comes together. So what happens in the story of the love journey is something that's really watchable in this particular drama. The next drama on our list is Begin Again. It portrays the story of a dominant female CEO and a warm doctor who, for practical reasons, bring a fictitious relationship into reality. They begin a new chapter in their lives as they learn to fall in love after exchanging their ideals. Lu Fanbin is the general manager of the Lumin Group, a major home furnishings conglomerate. Lu Fanbin is a multi-talented, gorgeous and a wealthy woman. She is now in her 30s, succumbs to the family pressures and determines that she urgently requires a husband with whom she may start a family. Rain Roy is not only attractive, but he also has an angelic heart, making him the ideal choice in her eyes. She plans to get him into her life, and the boy eventually sees her mistakes and resolves to improve. It's a little hatke story, but I think you should go for it.
The first drama on our list is Unforgettable Love. The drama revolves around Hee Kyao-yan, CEO of Heishi Group, and Kim Ye-yu, a child psychologist. It tells the story of a rational and indifferent man and a soft, optimistic, considerate, and a meticulous psychologist, whose relationship develops from acquaintance to love. Adapted from the web novel, Mr. He's Love Is Not Forgotten, the formula is somewhat repetitive, but definitely binge-worthy.
And guys, the last drama on our list is Oh My Sweet Liar. Seong-rae was an accomplished female painter with a vivid memory. She was jailed after painting secret comics for the Lee family of Yoon-young. Infiltrating the Lee mansion as a servant, she receives a wealthy order to sketch a cryptic image of the four Luohan. While departing, Shin Seo-yu has been assigned to serve and befriend Lee Hong-bin, the eldest son. She ends up spending the night with him by chance. At the same time, Lee Hong-bin desired to avoid his impending marriage to the Song family's daughter. As a result, they start a fictitious marriage. Song Shi-ru and Lee Hong-bin gradually fall in love as they spend more and more time together. They handle all of the kingdom's crises and the two finally marry. So guys, this was the list for today. I hope you really like our content. If you do, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share in your comments, share in your love. And if you think that there are more dramas that should have been included in the list, you can put it in the comment section below. We really look forward to engaging with you, and please spread our content to as many people as possible, and especially all the drama lovers, because let's all be a part of this beautiful community. Come on guys, let's see you in the next video.